actual parameters. लिखो the parameters which are used during in function call statement. In function call statement, the parameters which are used in function call statement are called actual parameters. The parameters which are used in function call statement are called actual parameters. Simple definition. Okay. So in this line we are calling the function. So we are using these parameters here. So simple definition I have written here, the parameters which are used in function call statement. This is function call statement, and the parameters which we use here are called actual parameters. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Definition
sir.
with meaning clear? Okay. Now write down next heading. What is that? Formal parameters. Please write down the heading formal parameters. Formal parameters. The parameters which are defined in function definition to receive the value of actual parameters are called formal parameters. Please keep this definition in front of you. I'm going to explain it. Listen. See, as I told, this is what function definition, right? This is what function definition. And defining means this declaration, this int x. This is we are defining variable, no, int x, int y. So here we have defined this parameters for what? To receive the value of actual parameters. Definition clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in function definition, this is function definition. In function definition, we define these variables for what? To receive the value of
Actual parameter.
actual parameter. Okay. So they are called formal parameters.
Parameter.
So I hope definition with meaning is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The first line of the function is called function prototype. Generally, it contains name of the function, parameters list, and return type. See, this line is called function prototype, and you can see what it has: function name, parameters list, and return type. Generally, it contains this thing. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें कभी कभी होती हैं रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से, but generally it contains three things: name of the function, number and means parameters list, and return type. ये तीन चीजें होती हैं. इसके अलावा भी चीजें होती हैं, but generally it contains these three things. ये कॉमन ही होना है. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Function prototype. Then write down one. Again, I'm repeating. This number and types of arguments required with the function means here number of arguments, number of parameters is 2, and the type is what here? Int.
Online.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Yes. Listen. Now we are going to define a function to find the sum of digits. Got it? So if you remember, I told to think three things. So we have to think a proper name. पहले सबसे पहले function का proper name. तो हम यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं sum of digits. Okay, proper name. तुम sum भी ले सकते हो, digit sum ले सकते हो, कुछ भी. A proper name. Identifier naming rules को follow करते हुए. Second thing, what we think? How many and which type of parameters are required? So can you tell me how many parameters are required in this function?
2 parameter.
Parameter
Two.
2.
Why 2?
2. R and 1.
Eh?
क्योंकि digit निकालना.
The number of int type. Number of parameters 1 and type I'm taking int. No. Only one parameter. And third thing, what we think? Which type of value that function will return? Which type of value will return? Sum of digits will be of which type?
Double.
Integer.
Int. डबल कहाँ से हो गया? सवेरे सवेरे अभी तुम्हें नींद नहीं खुली है? हैं?
जल्दी से बोल रहे हैं.
सुबह सुबह नींद में हो? Int. डबल कौन बोला? Okay. So.
जल्दी से सर बोल दिए.
Okay, now you know the logic of sum of digits that you'll write within a function that we have already taught. D.
Yes.
Or you used to take R for that. I'm taking D for digit. Sum equal to 0. Then keep on writing, please. Keep on writing. While
Sum.
So the logic of sum of digits I have written in the function, and the final result was stored into variable sum, so that I'm return sum. Okay, now we are going to define main function. Okay, please start writing with me. So after taking input, the number which is required by the function, we are creating the object, and then third, we will call the function. So here we write ob dot, what is the function name? Sum digits.
Sum of digits.
And this n we have taken for the function, no? So we'll pass this value n, semicolon. And sorry, and to receive that function will return a value, no? This function will return a value, right?
Sum.
To receive that, here we have to declare a variable. जो भी function से हमारे return value आएगी, to receive that, we can take a variable here. Okay, then coming outside, system dot out dot print, and then sum of digits equal to plus sum. Okay, then main close, class close. Written by all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the main function, we take that thing as input which is required by the function. Since the function was requiring a number, so that we have taken as input. Then we create the object of the class. Okay, and by that object we call the function. So what will happen? Consider the value of n we have taken 123 that we are passing. So that will go to what? That will go to this n. अब देखो n same लिया लेकिन दोनों n different है. नीचे भी n है, यहाँ पे भी n है, but they are not same, they are different. Okay, so the value of this n will be what? 123. Control will go inside the function. Control will go inside the function. This process will be done. You know, sum of digits it is finding. I've already sent the video for this. So sum of digits will be stored into which variable? Sum. That will be what? That will be what here? 6. No. And when the value of sum will be 6, that will be returned. As you know, return function send the control back to the function call. जहाँ से function call हुआ है, control को वापस वहीं भेज देता है. तो यहीं से call हुआ था. It will come back to here, and what we are getting back? 6.
6.
And that 6 will be stored into this variable s. And sorry, यहाँ पे mistake हो गई. Here you should write what? Not sum, you write here s. And here we are printing. So I hope it is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in question?
No, sir.